Hi, good evening to all. So today's lesson is organizational climate and the morally influences organizational climate. So we will look at the meaning of organizational climate first. According to James and Sells, organizational climate is a collective perception of the work environment by the individuals within a common system. Organizational climate is defined as the meanings of people with the different perceptions which exhibit in the organizational environment within a common system. It's called organizational climate. Influences by morally in organizational climate or importance of the organizational climate. First one is enhance employee performance. Organizational climate is a clear indicator of employee and organizational performance. Organizational climate is a direction towards the towards and how they perform in the organization. So organizational and the climate helps for these two things. This is due to the fact that the constructive work environment leads to a motivated workforce. If the organization is in constructive mode, then we can motivate our employees through the organizational climate. The next one is building strong relationship. Organizational climate helps managers to discover the relationship between organizational methods and the employees' needs. Through organizational climate, the manager can identify the relationship between the methods of organization and the what a employees needs. To identify these two things, the organizational climate helps. If manager knows what motivates the employee, then they will be easily able to boost their morale. Once the manager identified the fact through which he will boost the employee and or motivate them to perform more efficiently. Hence, a positive and strong relationship can be formed, which ultimately makes an organizational successful. If a manager that does so, automatically the positive organizational climate will form, through which the organizational success will attain. The third one is indicates success or failure. The success or failure is also determined by its climate. Through organizational climate, we can identify the success or the failure of the organization through employees. For example, in organizations with the positive climate, employees enjoy working with each other. If an organization is with a positive organizational climate, their employee will enjoy their working. They willingly perform the work and are satisfied with the organization. If they get the positive organizational climate, they are willingly perform their work and gets satisfied with that work. The fourth one is builds confidence. In an ideal organizational climate, the subordinates are confident and show faith towards the superiors through hard work. In an organization, there is a ideal organizational climate, the subordinates now works in more confident and so their faith now towards the superiors and perform more powerful. The fifth one is to minimize the turnover. The employees working in a positive climate are satisfied and have no intention to leave the organization. If the employees now work in the positive climate now, automatically they will be more than satisfied. So there is no need of leave the organization. So it will reduce the turnover of organization. Thus a higher moral reduces the employee turnover and from work absence. If the employees that don't have the intention to leave the organization, so their moral that reduces not to leave the organization and from the absenteeism also. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.